Hi, I'm Cecilia Marzilli, Investments Manager at Blancarreal. In our previous video, we presented Valle Romano, a resort of holiday apartments for investment in Estepona from 115,000 euros. Our team of professionals has developed different scenarios to illustrate the benefits of investing in Valle Romano compared to similar properties. It is worth mentioning that all the data that you're about to see is shown in full transparency and in accordance with what we have contracted with owner hotels. Let's say you choose to invest in one of the 98 flats, more specifically one with a value of 115,000 euros. For a proper comparison, it is necessary to understand that the prices of these assets are about 10% lower than the local average, as these prices are based on an exact valuation. In other words, for an apartment with similar characteristics, you would have to pay 127,000 euros. Due to the current tax legislation, your purchase at Valle Romano will be exempt from VAT and transmission tax. Therefore, you will only have to pay 2.25% on notary deed and stamp duty tax. On the contrary, a property with similar characteristics would be subject to notary fees and transmission tax of 7%. This means that the total purchase cost of your flat at Valle Romano is only 170,580 euros after taxes. In addition, by purchasing our apartment in Valle Romano, you will save all the costs related to the furniture and utilities, which are included in the price. All in all, the difference in the purchase price after taxes is over 30,000 euros. Valle Romano properties have a contract that guarantees their rentability until March 2025. During this period, the gross yield will be 5% per annum. The minimum net return, on the other hand, in the most economical apartments is 3.08% due to community fees and local taxes. In fact, the ROI is calculated on the basis of the lowest priced product. If your investment is higher, and because there are some fixed costs, your net return will be up to 3.82%. It should be borne in mind that in similar products you may have to pay commission to an agency for rental management, and you're not guaranteed 100% occupancy of your property. Thus, your net return would be reduced to 2.7% or less. Let's say that after a period of 3 years you want to sell your asset. Taking into account the purchase price, the revaluation of your asset, an average of 3.5% per annum, and your rental income, Valle Romano will give a return equivalent to a gross yield of 17.67%. In an apartment of similar characteristics and with the same premises of revaluation, you would only start earning money after the 4th year onwards, depending of course on the occupancy of your home. The data provided corresponds to only one of the multiple scenarios that our experts have calculated. We will therefore be at your disposal to help you better understand your investment or to define tailored scenarios depending on the amount you wish to invest. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you soon.